Hi friends, welcome to Shanghai Temp. When your compressor is overheating, don't panic. Please check these 3 things first. First, check oil level. If the belonging moves good, low oil increases the braking and overheating. Next, clean radiator. Remove dust. Depress with air or brush. Block the radiator's trap heat. Finally, check fan operation. No spin. Inspect ring or fan motor. Settle for cooling. With this simple check, keep your compressor running smoothly. More tips. Follow Shanghai Temp.